Hello beauty guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, your beauty Dona here. So today I'm here with an exciting video. I'm super excited for today's video because as you have already seen in the title, I am going to share my haul with you. So I have spent more than $1,000 on just makeup products. The products were almost 900 to $1,000, but I have to spend more because I have to pay some custom duties and delivery charges and all that stuff because I live in Pakistan, so it costs me too much to purchase products from Sephora and other international brands. All these products might cost you less than $1,000. It would be around 900, approximately 850 or maybe 900 if you will get any of these on sales, because when I was purchasing there was no sale, nothing like that happening, and I was very impatient to buy all the products. I was not patient enough to wait for the sales, so I got all these for this much prices. It in Pakistani currency it would cost around 1.5 lakhs or 1,70,000 approximately. So in this haul I got my hands on all the products which I really wanted to buy, and I finally bought them. So I'm super excited to share my haul with you. I ordered these products a few months back, and I was not filming in those days, and when I received the products I just kept them on the side and I didn't film any video. So I have all the products with me right now. Okay, but one thing which I've decided is I'll make two parts of this video because I don't want the video to be too long, and I've heard that you guys get bored. So I am going to make two parts. But the exciting thing is that one is going to be for high-end products and the second one is going to be the drugstore. I have got some drugstore international products which are like Wet n Wild, Elf and some other. So this is a part 1 which has all the high-end products, and I'll try my level best to keep this video as short as possible to save your time. And I will not show the swatches of the products because it will take too much time because I have so many products to show. So I'll make individual videos on the products I have, so with swatches, the reviews and the tutorials, everything I'll show you later. You can comment down below if you want the review of any of these products, so I'll make that one first, then I'll move on to the other ones. Okay, so let's begin the video with the Huda Beauty products. Okay, so this is the first product, and you might have seen this palette thousands of times because this is an old launched palette. This is the first palette with Huda Beauty launched, but I haven't got this yet, so I thought why not. This is how the palette looks like. It's so beautiful. I mean, you can see it's so pretty. It has amazing shades and the quality is superb. The texture, the pigmentation, everything is awesome. Okay, so this cost me around $65, I guess 65 or $67. You can check the prices on their website. So this was about $65, and Pakistani currency it would be about 11,000 something. And basically this is the cost of the product, but it was way too high for me because of the custom duties and the shipment charges and so much more. So yeah, you can get it, might be in the same prices if you are in USA or any country in which you have Sephora, because we don't have Sephora here yet. Okay, so here is the second product which is also from Huda Beauty. I really love Huda Beauty products, and this is such an amazing palette. Okay, so this is so nice. I hope you can see the pigments and the quality, and I will definitely make a review on this. Right now I'm so overwhelmed because this is so pretty. You can see the packaging. Oh my god, this is a glass kind of packaging or maybe a hard plastic, but this is really amazing. Okay, so the third product. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so overwhelmed. I can't even explain. So the next product is this. This is Huda Beauty highlighter. I hope, oh, I hope you can see. Let me show you the packaging first. Can you see this? This is huge. This is how it looks like. This pan has 30 gram of product and the size is huge. You can see it's almost the same size of my face. It looks pretty. She's just amazing, and I would say the quality would be definitely good. I'm not sure right now. I will make a separate review on this. I'll test it out in different situations and then I'll share my review and opinion. Okay, so we have so much from the Huda Beauty brand. So I have these three mini palettes which are pastel mint, pastel rose, and the third one is pastel lilac. I will make a separate review on these as well. Okay, so I've got all 6 of these, the third in the pastel collection and the third in the neon collection. And these are really amazing. You can see the colors. They are super nice. And in the nude one, I got just one because I thought I should buy the medium and rich both. But that was more in the mauve tone and this is more in the nude tone. So I thought I should get this. And can you see the texture? I mean, the texture is so amazing. I'm just dying for the packaging right now. I'm not sure about the quality of the product, although I know it's going to be amazing. But right now, I'm so overwhelmed from the for the packaging. Just can you see the packaging? Gosh. Okay, so we have another product from Huda Beauty. This is their bullet lipstick. I got this in the shade of Promotion Day. This is how the packaging is, and let me show you from the inside. Can you see how pretty it looks like? If you want me to review their lipsticks, I will definitely do that. And can you see the packaging? It has some magnet. I mean, the packaging is great. I just love the packaging. It feels premium. Oh, great. It has a sleek matte finish and it really feels premium. So this was all about Huda Beauty. Now moving forward to Morphe. So the first product from Morphe, we have this. I just love the packaging. I just love it. You know what it is? It is Morphe brushes, the Laura Lee collection. So Laura Lee had a collab with Morphe and she chose her top 11 favorite brushes. So these are those brushes. So you can see the bag. It's so nice. It has a very premium finish. The zip has a very premium finish. The color is so amazing, the beige nude kind of color, and we have all the brushes inside. If you want to see the brushes, you can comment down below and I'll make a review on this as soon as possible. Laura Lee had the collab with Morphe, so she chose her favorite brushes from all the collections of Morphe, and she chose the brushes from different collections, and this package has all those special useful kind of brushes. Isn't it amazing? Okay, so now moving towards another product from Morphe. This is Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I already have their Volume 1. I have made a review on that with the real versus fake. I will link that on the I button, and I am planning to make the video again with a better quality and by answering your questions, because I got so many comments on that video. And this is their volume 2, and soon I'm going to make the real versus fake of volume 2 as well, or maybe after filming this video I'm going to make the review of this with the fake one comparison. So you can subscribe my channel and you can wait for the next video after this, or maybe I'll post the next video after 2 days or a day after that. So you have to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification when I'll post it. And yeah, this is going to be a great review with the comparison of the fake one, so it is going to be exciting. So now moving towards the next product from the Morphe. This is really amazing product. I already know that, I haven't used that, but that was in my wish list since ever. I mean, this is a dream palette for every creator or most of the creators, because it has all the shades which we want, in creative to nude, every kind of shade. Can you guess which palette is this? If you have already guessed that, then comment down below. I want to know that if you have guessed it right or not. So now it's time to reveal. So this is the product. This is James Charles palette. James Charles had a collab with Morphe and this is the result. So this is one of the amazing palettes. Let me show you. Can you see the colors? I mean, these are literally amazing. It has all the shades you can even imagine. All tones, all shades. This is definitely a must-have palette if you want and you love to play with colors. It comes in two sizes. One is small and this one is a large one. You can get the small one as well. So this is a very mini product. It is a sample size which I got for $11, I guess, 10 or 11. I ordered it from Amazon. This is Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Lip Pencil in the shade 04 Rose. So this is a travel size product, which is really small. I haven't used it yet, and it's so small and cute. I really don't want to use it and finish it. I don't want to sharp it because I don't know when I'm going to use it. It's a very pretty nude pink color. Okay, so the next product is Huda by Benefit. It is a bronzer. It is a sample version, or you can say it is a travel size product, because I already have so many bronzers. I just wanted to try the Benefit Huda because it's most recommended bronzer by every influencer, so I just wanted to try this out. So that's why I got it in travel size, and I guess it's gonna last me for a year at least. So now we are almost done with all the products. I just have one more thing, a surprise package to show you guys, which is this Sephora Favorites. These are Sephora Favorites makeup must-haves. So let me show you the products. So these are the beauties. Okay, so we have some products in full size and some of them are in travel size. I guess I got this for $50, and these are the products. The first one is Marc Jacobs mascara, and this one is a full size product. It's not a travel size, it's a full size product. And this is Urban Decay travel size setting spray. I've heard very good reviews and very bad reviews as well. Those people who like this Urban Decay setting spray, they just swear on this, and those who just hate it, they hate it like hell. So I personally wanted to test this product and see how it works for me. So this is the NARS blush in the shade Orgasm. This was trending on internet since ever, and this was one of the best seller of Sephora. And these all products are Sephora's must-haves because these are the best sellers. So Yeah, that's why they made a package in a very discount prices, because if we'll buy these products individually they are going to cost too much. So yeah, this is a full size eyebrow pencil, and this is Kat Von D liner. This is just amazing, and it is in a travel size. I wish I would get it in full size, but it is what it is. So this is Too Faced Peach Perfect setting powder, and it is in a travel size. This is Huda Beauty full size lipstick in the shade First Kiss, and this is Smashbox primer. It is a travel size product. So yeah, these are all the products which I have, and soon I will review these products as well. If you want to see all of them, you can comment down below, or if you want any individual product, so I can make that as well. So this was all about today's video, but the part 2 is going to be about the drugstore product, and the drugstore ones are also amazing. So I would recommend you to subscribe my channel so that you won't miss that video. So this was all about this haul. It's not a review, yeah, this is all about this haul. See you in the next video. Bye bye.